Chronic stress and cardiovascular disease. What is the relationship? What is chronic stress? It is the repeated exposure to the same or different stresses for prolonged periods of time. However, there is no absolute duration period used to define chronic stress. How does the body respond to acute stress? The hypothalamus activates the sympathetic branch of the autonomic nervous system, which signals the adrenal medulla to secrete epinephrine and norepinephrine. These hormones drive the fight or flight response. When the danger is no longer there, then epinephrine and norepinephrine stops being released and the body slowly returns to normal. What happens during chronic stress? The hypothalamic pituitary axis. The hypothalamus releases corticotropin-releasing factor upon stress, which travels to the pituitary gland. It stimulates the release of adrenocorticotropic hormone, which then travels to the adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are composed of two parts, the cortex and medulla. The adrenal glands produce mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids, and adrenal androgens upon stimulation by ACTH. The glucocorticoid cortisol is secreted by the adrenal cortex. What happens to the cortisol? Cortisol binds to the glucocorticoid receptors, which then moves to the nucleus where it binds DNA. This inhibits further CRH release from the hypothalamus and ACTH from the pituitary gland via negative feedback. The GR is then ubiquitinated and degraded. However, if the stressor remains for long enough, HPA dysfunction occurs, which results in increased glucocorticoids, GR binding, subsequent GR degradation, and a decrease in the GR pool. And this all leads to hypercortisolemia.